historic day when our nation broke the chains of colonial rule, but also to pay tribute to the countless brave hearts whose courage, sacrifice, and unwavering determination gifted us the priceless treasure of freedom. As we celebrate this remarkable occasion, let us embrace this inspiring theme, honoring freedom, inspiring the future towards Viksit Bharat 2047. This theme reminds us that while we honor the glorious legacy of our freedom fighters, we also share the responsibility of building a developed, progressive, innovative, and united India by the year 2047, when our nation completes 100 years of independence. On this auspicious occasion, let us reaffirm our commitment to uphold the values of unity, integrity, peace, equality, and patriotism. May today's celebration ignite in every heart the spirit of service, responsibility, and love for our motherland. As we all are aware, every event and occasion starts with prayers. Prayer means purification of one's soul. So let's begin this function seeking your blessings. I invite my new friends to lead the event with prayer. Prayer, attention.
गौरी वरसुत गजवदना शंकर कुवर निगजानना दयेयनु तोरुनि वरसदना ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಗೋಪುರ ಸಿರಿ ಕರುಣಾ ಗೌರಿ ವರಸುತ ಗಜವದನ ಶಂಕರ ಕುವರ ನಿಗಜಾನನ ದಯೆಯನು ತೋರು ನಿವರಸದನ ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಗೋಪುರ ಸಿರಿ ಕರುಣಾ ಗಣರಾಜ ಕಿನ ತೇಜ ಆದಿ ಪೂಜಿತನೆ ವಂದಿಸುವೆ ಗೌರಿ ವರಸುತ ಗಜವದನ ಭಾರ್ಗವರಾಮಗೆ ಗುರುವಾದೇನಿ ಭಾರತ ಕಾವ್ಯವನು ಬರೆದೆ ರಾವಣದ ಪವನರಿಸಿದನಿ ಆತ್ಮಲಿಂಗವನು ಧರೆಗಿಳಿಸಿ ಬಾನಿನ ಚಂದ್ರಗೆ ಶಾಪವ ನೀಡಿದೆ ಬಾಳಿನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯ ಬೆಳಗುವ ಸಿರಿಯೇ ಗಣಗಳಿಗೊಡೆಯನೆ ಗುಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿರಿಯ ಬದುಕಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥವ ಕರುಣಿಸುನಿ ಗೌರಿ ವರಸುತ ಗಜವದನ ಶಂಕರ ಕುವರ ನಿಗಜಾನನ ದಯೆಯನು ತೋರು ನಿವರಸದನ ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಗೋಪುರ ಸಿರಿ ಕರುಣ ಗುಡಿಯಲಿ ದೀಪವ ಬೆಳಗುವೆನ ಮುಡಿಯಲಿ ಪುಷ್ಪವೇ ಆಗುವೆನು ಪಾದ ಪೂಜೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವೆನ ಪಾಶಾಂಕುಶಧರ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವೇದಗಳೆಲ್ಲವ ಭಗ್ನವ ಮಾಡುವ ಕಾರ್ಯವ ಸುಗಮವ ಗೈಯುವನೇ ಧೈರ್ಯವ ನೀಡುತ್ತ ಕಾಯುವ ಹೇರಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಕ್ಷವ ನೀಡುವನೇ ಗೌರೀವರ ಸುತ ಗಜವದನ ಶಂಕರ ಕುವರನಿ ಗಜಾನನ ದಯೆಯನು ತೋರು ನಿವರ ಸದನ ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಗೋಪುರ ಸಿರಿ ಕರುಣಾ ಗೌರೀವರ ಸುತ ಗಜವದನ ಶಂಕರ ಕುವರನಿ ಗಜಾನನ ದಯೆಯನು ತೋರು ನಿವರ ಸದನ ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಗೋಪುರ ಸಿರಿ ಕರುಣಾ ಗಣರಾಜ ಹೀನ ತೇಜ ಆದಿ ಪೂಜಿತನೆ ವಂದಿಸುವೆ ಗೌರೀವರ ಸುತ ಗಜವದನ.
Thank you, friends. Welcoming is an art and it sprouts from the heart. As you see, we have our distinguished dignitaries on the dais. To welcome them, I call upon Pravati of Class 9 for welcome address. Happy morning, everyone. I, Pragati of Class 9, am here to warmly welcome you all on the behalf of Team Gurukula. It is with immense pride and after that I extend a warm welcome to each one of you of our great nation. Happy morning, everyone. I, Pragati of Class 9, am here to warmly welcome you all on behalf of Team Gurukula. It is with immense pride and heartfelt joy that I extend a warm welcome to each one of you to the 80th Independence Day celebration of our great nation. Today, we gather not merely to commemorate a historic event, but to honor the reminder that freedom is both a privilege and a responsibility. As responsible citizens, it is our duty to uphold the values of our Constitution, respect our diversity, preserve our unity, and contribute positively towards building a stronger and brighter India. As we proudly hoist the tricolor and sing the national anthem, let us renew our commitment to serve our nation with integrity, compassion, discipline, and excellence. It is my immense privilege to welcome Mr. Ravi Shankar P., Honorary President of Gurukula Education Trust, to this occasion. I am pleased and honored to welcome Mr. Chikkanna Priyar, President of Gurukula Education Trust, to this occasion. I extend my warm welcome to Mr. Jagadish Bedi, Secretary of Gurukula Education Trust, to this occasion. We welcome you, sir. I feel truly honored to welcome Mr. Lokesh Piji, Treasurer of Gurukula Education Trust, to this occasion. I am truly delighted to welcome Mr. Raghunath Priyar, Trustee of Gurukula Education Trust, to this occasion. We welcome you, sir. It is indeed a privilege to to welcome Mr. Rajesh CJ, trustee of Gurukula Education Trust, to this occasion. We welcome you, sir. Now, I'm glad to welcome Mr. Srinath P., trustee of Gurukula Education Trust, to this occasion. We welcome you, sir. I also extend my welcome to Mr. Santosh Kumar, sir, to this occasion. We welcome you, sir. It's my pleasure to welcome Mr. Vijay Kumar PV, principal of our esteemed institution. We welcome you, sir. Your gracious presence had made this occasion even more special, and we are truly honored to have you all with us. I also extend a warm welcome to respected members of our board of directors who are unable to join us today. I take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt welcome to the entire team Gurukula. Thank you, and I wish you all a memorable and inspiring Independence Day celebration. Thank you, one and all. We are happy to welcome our dignitaries. Thank you, Pragati. As we honor the spirit of independence, we now turn to a solemn and heartfelt tradition, the garlanding of our freedom fighters' photos. These brave souls sacrificed their lives and endured immense hardship to secure the freedom we cherish today. Let us pay tribute to the enduring legacy by garlanding their photos, a gesture of our deepest gratitude and respect. Now, I request Swami Sir to lead our esteemed guest for the garlanding of the photographs. Now, over to Likit. Now over to Santosh sir.
ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್
ಅಣ್ಣ ಇದು ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಯ್ತು
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು ನಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ ಚೂರು ಕಡಿಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕ ತಗೊಂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದಿರಾ ಅಣ್ಣ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ
ಹೋಗಿ
The moment we are eagerly waiting has arrived. Let's kickstart our celebration with the unfurling of the national flag. I now request Swami Sir to kindly lead our esteemed guests to the flagpole for the flag hoist ceremony.
सुमधुरभाषिणी सुगलां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्
As we gather here today to celebrate our nation's Independence Day, it is privilege to introduce the God of Honor. At this moment, I request our esteemed school principal, Mr. Vijay Kumar Sir, to step forward and invite our distinguished guest. Now, over to Likith. The first house is Jupiter. This house captain is Bhagavan and vice captain is Varsha. All the students are standing in the files of three. They are also showing the extreme sincerity, alertness, and obedience. Next, the guests are inspecting Marsals. Its captain is Yukta and vice captain is Namita. They are showing their respect, sincerity, and alertness. Now, the guests are heading towards Venus House. Its captain is Anvita Shri and vice captain is Agya Unnati Jingade. Venus House students are also showing complete obedience and discipline towards our school and our triangle law. After inspecting Venus House, the guests are moving towards Earth House. This house captain is Kushi Srinivas and vice captain is Purvika. They are showing complete discipline and obedience towards their house, school, and national flag. Now, the guests are inspecting school's boys special group, which is captained by Lakshan and flag bearer is Cheta. The group members are showing great respect and obedience towards their participation. Their commitment to excellence and their dedication to upholding our nation's values serve as an inspiration to us all. Our guests are heading towards the school's girls special group, which is captained by our school assistant pupil leader, Yogita, and flag bearer is Prithvika. The group members are exhibiting their highest regard towards their participation. These young women symbolize the courage, determination, and leadership that our country is known for. Finally, the guests are approaching towards the band show. All the students in the group are holding their instrument with pride. They are led by the band show leader, Likit. I now invite our school assistant pupil leader, Miss Yogita, to come forward and seek permission from our esteemed principal to commence the mask pass. Now over to Santosh sir. It is an accurate time to witness the most spectacular and vibrant event, that is March Past. March Past showcases the discipline and the synchronized movement, the zeal and enthusiasm of the student. Now, over to Lekib. The very first group is school's special draw under the captaincy of school assistant people leader Yogita and flag bearer Prithika. Holding the house flag was white in color. White represents purity, simplicity, perfection, peace, and new beginnings. It gives a special love to witness their uniformity. The students are showing high enthusiasm and showing active participation in this event. The next is school's first special draw under the captaincy of Lakshan and flag bearer Cheta, holding the house flag which is red in color. Red represents courage, bravery, and sacrifice. These students are showing highest spirit and energy in this prestigious event. Now, the school first stars is heard, led by the captain Kushi Srinivas and vice captain Purvika, holds house flag which is green in color. Green represents peace as well as hope, harmony, and optimism. Green is associated with nature which is eye-catching. Next house is Winners. As per its name, is brightest. The house is led by the captain Amitashi and vice. Venus house is followed by Mars. The house is led by the captain Yukta and vice captain Namita. Holds the house flag red in color. Red color indicates passion, affection, and desire. It represents strength, courage, physical activity, creativity, and security. Succeeding to this is Jupiter House, led by the captain Gagana and vice captain Varsha, holding the house flag. The color is blue, that is indigo color. This color indicates spiritual relaxation. These students are also very enthusiastic, actively participating in March Past. The band sound is just filling all of us with set of energy. This group is under the captaincy of Lekit. The band is well synchronized. The beats are adding flavor to this tremendous event.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬಂದವೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಹೊಡೆದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್
As we conclude our march past, let us remember our dedication and commitment to our school and country, onward with honor and pride. Now, I kindly request our esteemed dignitaries to please resume their seat. March past has always been a symbol of discipline, unity, and perfect coordination, values that mirror the spirit of our nation. As we celebrate our 18th Independence Day, let us reflect not only on our glorious past, but also on India's remarkable journey towards becoming a developed nation. From the courageous sacrifice of our freedom fighters to groundbreaking achievements in space, technology, education, sports, and innovation, India continues to inspire the world with the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. Each one of us has a role to play in building a stronger, greener, more inclusive, and self-reliant nation. Let us honor our freedom by contributing wholeheartedly to our country's bright future. Next, I invite our Secretary of Gurukula Education Trust, Mr. Jagdish Shaw, for inaugural speech.
Respected trust members, principal, esteemed members of faculty, and my dear students. Today we are celebrating 80th Independence Day. It is a profound privilege to address this assembly as we gather to solemnize the anniversary of our nation's independence. On the morning of August 15, 1947, India awoke to life of freedom, breaking nation's independence. The shackles of nearly 2 centuries of colonial subjugations, as the strains of our national anthem resonate across this campus today. They carry echoes of epic struggle, a struggle written in the blood, sweat, and unyielding resolve of generation of patriots. To fully comprehend the magnitude of this day, we must look back at our history. The freedom we enjoy today was not gained overnight. It was forged through decades of resistance. From the structural enjoy today was not gained overnight. It was fought through the decades. We owe our sovereignty to visionary architects of our nation, to the unwavering resolve of Mahatma Gandhi, the revolutionary courage of Bhagat Singh, the intellectual brilliance of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and countless unsung heroes who sacrificed their youth so that future generation might walk as free citizens in the sovereign public. However, as custodians of an educational institution, we must reflect deeply on what constitutes true freedom. Geographically, self-rule is merely the foundation. True freedom is the highest sense, is an ongoing intellectual, moral, and social endeavor. It is the eradication of ignorance, poverty, and inequality. It is the liberalization of the mind of dogmatism and the empowerment of every individual to realize their fullest potential. True freedom cannot survive without the pillars of knowledge, civic responsibility, and institutional integrity. On this auspicious occasion of 80th independence, to my esteemed faculty, you are the primary guidance of the true freedom. Your mission extends far beyond the syllabus. You are tasked with cultivating critical thinking, scientific temper, and ethical clarity. By liberating our students from confidence of ignorance, you perform the highest form of national service. The strength of our democracy depends entirely on the enlightenment of our classrooms. To my dear students, on this 80th independence, you are laying heirs to this grand democratic experiment. Remember that freedom is never a static inheritance. It is a dynamic responsibility that must be earned and defended by every generation. In the contemporary era, patriotism does not demand that you fight on battlefields, but you fight against corruption and social division. Your current battlefield is your education. Your weapons are your books, your discipline, and your integrity. Commit yourself to the academic excellence. India progress will be determined by your dedication. Let us pledge today to honor the legacy of our freedom fighters, not merely through the but through our collective actions. Let us dedicate ourselves building an India that is intellectually vibrant, socially equitable, and morally resilient. Thank you. Thank you. Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words. It is my great pleasure to invite our youngsters to the stage, dressed as our brave freedom fighters who played pivotal roles in shaping our history and personalities who made our nation proud. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause as they bring to life the spirit and courage of our nation's heroes. Please join me in welcoming class first, second, and third friends as they proudly take the stage. I led India's freedom movement to truth and non-violence. My life teaches us peace, honesty, and kindness. Truth and non-violence always win. Thank you.
ಮೇಕಪ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ face
ಈ ಕಡೆ
ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ
ಲೈವ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ
Good morning, everyone. I am Satvik Jayam from grade 1 Kaveri. Today I am dressed as Subhash Chandra Bose. I was a great freedom fighter and leader of the Indian National Army. I inspired millions with courage and patriotism. Give your best for your country. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Kushal Bias from grade 2nd Koina. Today I am dressed as Bhagat Singh. I was a young revolutionary who sacrificed my life for India's freedom. My bravery and love for nation inspire everyone. Love your country with all your heart. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Brunda Biyav from grade 1 Kapila. Today I am dressed as Rani Lakshmi Bai. I was the brave queen of Jhansi who fought against British rule. My courage inspired every Indian. Fight with courage and confidence. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Charvika from grade 2nd Krishna. Today I am dressed as Kitturani Chennamma. I was one of the first queen to fight against British rule. My bravery inspires girls to be strong and confident. Bravery has no gender. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I'm Loit KU from grade 3 Tunga. Today I'm dressed as Chandrasekhar Azad. I was brave revolutionary who fought fearlessly for Indian freedom. My sacrifice will always be remembered. Freedom is worth for every sacrifice. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Purvi K. Shetty from grade 1 Kapila. Today I am dressed as Jawaharlal Nehru. I was India's first Prime Minister and I love children very much. I work for the progress of our nation. Children are the future of India. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Vikshi Shetty from grade 2 Krishna. Today I am dressed as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I united many princely states to build a strong India. I am now the Iron Man of India. Unity is strength. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Chenu Surya from grade 4 Shimsha. Today I am in the attire of Alluri Sitaram Raju. I was a fearless freedom fighter who led tribal people against British rule. My bravery and sacrifice made me a great hero. Courage can change history. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I'm Mas from grade 4th Shimsha. Today I'm in the attire of Rani Garden Leo. I was a freedom fighter from Northeast India who fought against British rule. I inspired people to be fearless and patriotic. Be fearless. One nation. Love our nation. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Varshikar Gowda from grade 3 Tungabhadra. Today I am dressed as Sangulli Rayana. I was a brave warrior who fought against British rule to protect my kingdom and my people. My courage is remembered forever. Be brave, never give up. Thank you.
ಸರ್ ಈಗೇನು ಬಂತು ಸರ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್
Good morning, everyone. I'm Advik from grade 4th A. Today I am dressed as Birsa Munda. I was a brave tribal freedom fighter who fought against British rule and worked for the rights of tribal people. My courage inspires us to protect our land and culture. Be brave, stand for justice. Thank you.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಏಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದು
Good morning, everyone. I'm Janya from grade 4 Sharavati. Today I am dressed as Sir M. Vishveshwaraya. I was a great engineer and statesman who contributed to India's development. My life teaches us discipline and hard work. Work hard, build the future. Thank you. Good morning, Good morning, everyone. I am Kishambi R from grade 1 Kaveri. Today I am dressed as S.P. Balasubramaniam. I was a legendary playback singer whose songs touched millions of hearts. My voice continues to inspire music lovers. Let music inspire the world. ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಬಂದ ಬುಗುರಿ ಆ ಶಿವನೇ ಚಾಟಿಕನು ಈ ಬಾ ಸುಂದರ ನಗರಿ ನೀನಿಗರ ಮೇಟಿಕನು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಹೌದಾ ಯಾವ್ದು
Good morning everyone. I am Sonali S. Patel from grade 2nd Koina. Today I am dressed as a Chanki. I am a legendary playback singer who has sung thousands of beautiful songs. My music has brought joy to millions. ದೇವರ ಆಟ ಬಲ್ಲವರಾರು ಆತನ ಎದಿರು ನಿಲ್ಲುವರಾರು ಕೇಳದೆ ಸುಖವ ತರುವ ಹೇಳದೆ ದುಃಖವ ಕೊಡುವ ತನ್ನ ಮನದಂತೆ ಕುಣಿಸಿ ಆಡುವ ದೇವರ ಆಟ ಬಲ್ಲವರಾರು ಆತನ ಎದಿರು ನಿಲ್ಲುವರಾರು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Good morning everyone. I am Punavyam from grade 3 Tungabhadra. Today I am dressed as Dr. Nidhi Sharma. I am dedicated doctor who works to improve people's health and well-being. I received Indian Medical Award for excellence in medical research. Health is our greatest wealth. Thank you.
Thank you, friends, for your dedication. Today, we gather not only to commemorate the historic day when our nation broke the chains of colonial rule, but also to pay tribute to the countless brave hearts whose courage, sacrifice, and unwavering determination gifted us the priceless treasure of freedom. As we celebrate this remarkable occasion, let us embrace this year-inspiring theme, honoring freedom, inspiring the future towards Viksit Bharat 2047. This theme reminds us that while we honor the glorious legacy of our freedom fighters, we also share the responsibility of building a developed, progressive, innovative, and united India by the year 2047, when our nation completes 100 years of independence. On this auspicious occasion, let us reaffirm our commitment to uphold the values of unity, integrity, peace, equality, and patriotism. May today's celebration ignite in every heart the spirit of service, responsibility, and love for our motherland.
ಹೊಡಿತು. New place.
As we celebrate our 80th Independence Day, let us reflect not only on our glorious past, but also on India's remarkable journey towards becoming a developed nation. From courageous sacrifice of our freedom fighters to groundbreaking achievements in space, technology, education, sport, and innovation, India continues to inspire the world with the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. Each one of us has a role to play in building a stronger, greener, more inclusive, and self-reliant nation. Let us honor our freedom by contributing wholeheartedly to our country's bright future.
ಪೂಜಾ ಮೇಡಮ್
Glorious legacy of our freedom fighters, we also share the responsibility of building a developed, progressive, innovative, and united India by the year 2047, when our nation completes 100 years of independence. On this auspicious occasion, let us reaffirm our commitment to uphold the values of unity, integrity, peace, equality, and patriotism. May today's celebration ignite in every heart the spirit of service, responsibility, and love for our motherland. Now, I kindly request our esteemed dignitaries to please resume their seats. As we celebrate our 18th Independence Day, let us reflect not only on our glorious past, but also on India's remarkable journey towards becoming a developed nation. From the courageous sacrifice of our freedom fighters to groundbreaking achievements in space, technology, education, sports, and innovation, India continues to inspire the world with the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. Each one of us has a role to play in building a stronger, greener, more inclusive, and self reliant nation. Let us honor our freedom by contributing wholeheartedly to our country's bright future. Patriotism is not just expressed through words, it is beautifully reflected through our actions, our unity, and our culture. Every beat of a patriotic song reminds us of the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and fills our heart with pride for our motherland. Now, let us witness a spectacular patriotic dance performance by our friends of Class 8, who will take us on a musical journey through the soul-stirring melodies of Desh Rangolia, Vande Mataram, and Jai Ho. Their performance is an artful tribute to the spirit, diversity, and glory of our incredible nation. Please welcome our wonderful performers with a big round of applause. Thank you, friends, for your magnificent performance. Let us give another thunderous round of applause to our Class 8 friends for this energetic and inspiring tribute to our beloved India. Their performance truly reminded us that our unity in diversity is our greatest strength. Jai Hind! Now, over to Santosh sir.
So now it's time for the breakfast. I request everybody. First group, stand up. Without making noise. First, second and